talking about a recipe which is dedicated to all the women out there. Today, we'll be talking about menopause. Menopause is indicated with hot flashes, mood swings, and many other symptoms. Today, we'll make such a thing that will reduce all these symptoms because it is caused due to hormonal imbalance, and that is our estrogen. There is lack amount of release of estrogen in the body which leads to all this problem. So today we are making soya upma which will help to reduce all these symptoms. Come on, let's make it. So friends, let's start with the ingredients part of it. What we require, we'll require some amount of soya granules. This is lime juice, some amount of jeera or cumin seeds. This is ginger, some amount of green chilies, curry leaves. This is hing, asafoetida. This is coriander, turmeric, some amount of oil. This is chana dal and moong dal. This is some amount of tomatoes, some amount of onions. This is wheat bran and some amount of salt. So now let's start and make it. We'll require a pan for this now. So we'll switch on the gas. Okay, now we need to roast wheat bran first. You know, dear friends, what is wheat bran? Wheat bran is a husk which is found on the outside layer of wheat, and it is very healthy and very nutritious. We just need to dry roast it till some good aroma comes out of it. For women with menopause, it is very important that they should include whole grains or whole pulses in their meals. See now, it seems to be ready. Roasting it, and it has turned light brown, light golden brown, and just perfect. And we'll switch this off. We'll remove this in the bowl. It is very important that you see to it that you don't burn it because it is very light, feathery wheat bran and it can really get easily burned. So take care that you don't burn it. We'll keep this aside. Now we'll roast some amount of chana dal and moong dal. Chana dal, if you are aware, is a pulse which has good amount of protein to it. So we are also adding good amount of protein with fiber to it. This also contains moong dal, and moong dal is very easy to digest and very useful for your gut. We'll also remove this off. Now, we will roast soya granules. You can use soya granules. Soya granules are easily available in the market. You just need to roast it right. We are roasting all the ingredients so that it don't become soggy. It should turn out to be very crispy and very nice. For women, especially with menopausal symptoms, they should include soya in their meals because that will reduce their symptoms, because the soya will provide some amount of estrogen to the body which is now secreting less in your body. So now we have already roasted it and it smells really nice, some amount of nutty flavor to it. We'll also empty this in our bowl. Now, let's start with our recipe. Some amount of oil to it. Make sure that you don't add too much amount of oil. We don't want it to be very oily. Now, we'll add some amount of cumin seeds to it. Cumin seeds are very nice. Let it splutter for a while. Now, we'll add ginger to it. Ginger improves the digestion. It reduces the bloating and things like that. And especially when you are having something which is high in protein, it's very important that you add something which will help your digestion so that you don't get gaseous issues. Some amount of chilies to it. Now we'll add curry leaves to it. We'll add some amount of asafoetida, that is hing. Don't add much, just little bit. Allow it to splutter. Now we'll add some amount of coriander leaves to it. It will give nice flavor and aroma. Some amount of turmeric. Now we'll add some amount of onions to it. We need to cook it till it becomes transparent, translucent kind of a thing. Yeah, that's like perfectly cooked. See now, it's already kind of a transparent, translucent look, and it's really having good aroma, believe me. Now we'll add some amount of tomatoes to it. Either you can dice them very small or you can make big slices of it. See this, it's going on very well. Now it seems that it's almost ready. We'll add some amount of chana dal and moong dal which was pre-roasted. It will give a nice crunch to our recipe and good amount of proteins, definitely. Now we'll add our soya granules. Now it seems to be right. Now we'll add some amount of wheat bran. Wheat bran, as I've told you, it will give some amount of fiber, roughage and B vitamins. B vitamins are very important for energy metabolism. See now, if you can see, it's turned out to be very nice, very crispy, not soggy at all as we had expected. We'll add some amount of salt to it. Dear friends, look to it that you have ample amount of protein in your meals, ample amount of fiber, good amount of complex carbohydrates, and yeah, water intake is a must. So dear friends, now we are almost ready. We'll switch off the flame, add some amount of lime juice to it. That will give very nice tangy flavor to our soya upma. Lime juice will also help in digestion. Now it's almost ready and we have done with it. Now we are gonna plate it. Now it's almost ready, right? Yeah. Dear friends, you can make slight amount of variations to it also, such as you can add more amount of vegetables to it. You can add peas to it, carrot to it, capsicum. Almost all the vegetables go well with this and it tastes really yummy and really nice. But when you're adding all the exotic vegetables such as lettuce leaves or broccoli or red capsicum or something like that, make sure that you cannot add tadka to it because it will not go well. It's not an Indian thing, right? Yeah. See now, this is going good. Amazing aroma, very nutty flavor, and plating is done. It's look tasty and very yummy, my God. This is really very nice. So, dear women all out there, you know, you need to try this. You need to have this.
सोया उपमा बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए सोया ग्रैन्यूल्स, नींबू का रस, जीरा, अदरक, करी पत्ता, हींग, हल्दी, ऑयल, चना दाल, मूंग दाल, कटे हुए टमाटर, कटे हुए प्याज, हरी मिर्च, व्हीट ब्रान और स्वादानुसार नमक। सबसे पहले व्हीट ब्रान को भून लें। अब चना दाल और मूंग दाल को भी भूनें और इसे एक बोल में निकाल लें। अब सोया ग्रैन्यूल्स को भी भून लें। अब एक पैन लें, इसमें तेल गर्म करें। उसमें जीरा, अदरक, हरी मिर्च, करी पत्ता, हींग, हल्दी, कटे हुए प्याज और कटे हुए टमाटर फ्राई करें। अब इसमें भुनी हुई दाल, सोया ग्रैन्यूल्स और व्हीट ब्रान को ऐड करें और कुछ देर पकाएं। अब इसमें नींबू का रस और नमक डालें। थोड़ी देर पकाने के बाद इसे प्लेट में निकाल लें। हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए सोया उपमा गर्मा गर्म सर्व करें।
Next time we'll see some different recipes and which are healthy and tasty. See you. Bye.
For more recipes, subscribe to our channel, My Food Thought.